Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2025 Toyota RAV4 LE. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.5-liter engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do get a dual exhaust, you got a backup camera, roof spoiler, we got a rear wiper as well, mud flaps on the rear, and front with some nice black trim along this vehicle. We also get turn line indicated mirrors with blind spot detection. And moving to the front real quick, we do get that nice Toyota grille. Taking a look in the back here, we do get quite a bit of cargo space. You have hooks and doodads to hold your gear down, lights, 12-volt cargo cubbies. We do get a cargo area protector on the mat here and on the back of the seats. And we do get your normal storage underneath with your spare tire, and you can collapse your last row if you need additional storage. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black and gray cloth interior, plenty of door space. You got a nice little speaker sound system, looks pretty cool. We got floor mats, carpeted interior, rear vents, 2 USB-Cs, and of course you can fold that down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a manual driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of more door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, got your lights, parking brake, hood, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 18,654 kilometers. We got this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel with your cruise control mode, playback to forward, volume, voice, phone, and toggle for your screen, which you can then go through eco and all that. We have your vehicle settings, audio, trip, and all these other stuff such as your blind spot monitoring, LTA, PCS, and 2 member we got cup holders, parking brake, auto hold, eco, normal, and sport mode, snow, mud, sand, rock, pretty nice, just some nice little buttons there too, gear select, and you do get your storage underneath with 2 USB-Cs, more storage here with the 12-volt and USB, traction, and heated front seats, auto stop on the start. You got your climate controls just right here, nice little dials, storage below and right here, and we got our SOS services right there, and your lights for your doors and your roof. Here we got our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, all that jazz. Got navigation as well, hazards, phone, vehicle settings, trip info, vehicle alert, all that jazz. You can search, settings, and personal profiles, Wi-Fi, display, all that jazz. And shifting to reverse, we do get that lovely backup camera. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8065B, and you can head on to PG Ford or give us a call.